If you're like many Amazon sellers, you spent much of the last year eagerly anticipating the release of Amazon's campaign hourly performance report, which will show how your campaigns do at different times of the day. Now, having viewed that report, if you're wondering, well, how to get a more visual look at some of the data so it's maybe a little bit easier to digest and action upon, then this video is for you. In 5 minutes or less, I'm going to show you how to create a color-oriented heat map that will show you in a very visually clear and stunning way which times of the day your campaigns perform best for with whatever metric you're looking to measure. With this example, we'll use 7-day sales. All right, without any further ado, let's dive right in. My name is Matt, by the way, and this is Amazon Made Easy as Fuck. Let's go. Entire screen. Let's do it. Okay, so we're going to start with the reporting tab, which is here. And I'm just going to very briefly show you where the report is. Right, if you're in your Amazon's consults and measurements and reporting, sponsored ad report. You can also get there from the home page, reports, advertising reports, and that'll bring you to this screen as well. So you're going to go create report, select the campaign type that you want to look at. For this purpose, for the purposes of this video, we'll use sponsored products. And then you grab the campaign report and you grab the hourly suggestion. It'll give you up to 14 days data. Now, to save us some time, because sometimes they do take a little bit of time to download, I've gone ahead and beat us to the punch here. So this is, let me shrink this a little bit. This is what the report looks like, right? And really what I want to point our attention to here is column C, which is the start time, right? That's really what they're looking at for time of day, right? It's on a 24-hour clock. So 0 equals midnight, right? And then you use 24 hours and move forward. Now, as you can see, this isn't super clear or easy to use. It's kind of unruly, right? So what I like to do is to create a color heat map. And here's how we'll do that. By the way, I should mention I'm using Excel and I'm on a PC-oriented platform. If you're using Sheets or some other product, or you're using an Apple platform, it might be slightly different. But however you do it, you're going to get to a pivot table, right? And I like to take it to a new sheet. All right, so that'll give us this clean sheet with all the fields, right? Make sure you capture all the data. Mine does it automatically, but if you don't, just make sure you capture all the columns that you want to look at. In this case, we want to look at start time. Start time, right? There we go. And we want to look at 7-day total sales, right? Boom. So this is a dollar value, right? Because it's sales. So if it makes it easier for you guys to visualize, we can grab that real quick, right? But either way, you're going to highlight this and you're going to, where it says conditional formatting, grab color scales, and then whichever color scale works for you, right? If you like red to be heat, meaning more sales, great. If you like green, meaning money, more sales, great, right? Some other combination, however you want to do it. And that's it, right? And I can very clearly see now which times of day I sell the most. My campaigns sell the most in terms of total sales. Therefore, the time I would most likely, if I was going to do some day parting, want to increase my bids and budgets, right? During the times of day where I'm having the most success. So that's it. Again, my name is Matt, and this is Amazon Made Easy as Fuck. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below.